The little concrete table beside this bocce ball court is perfect for drinks and scorecards, but it can also work as an outdoor cafe table almost anywhere. The concrete top starts with a form, which is a water heater drain pan. We cut a short piece of the 4-inch fence post that will support the table and tape it in the center of the pan to form the hole for the post. Around it, we arrange 4 pieces of rebar that provide structural strength for the concrete. Once the pieces of rebar are secured together with tie wire, we seal the drain hole in the pan with foil tape and wrap the center plug with several layers of tape to ensure the top will slide over the post. The Quikrete concrete mix we're using has been opened in our shop for a while, so it's a little lumpy. That's not ideal and can cause issues in the finished product, but in interest of time, we're taking the risk. If it does cause issues, we think we can correct them fairly easily. Eventually, the concrete is mixed well, and once it goes into the form, we lower the rebar frame into the mix to reinforce the concrete before we tap the sides of the form to release any air bubbles. Even for pros, every project doesn't turn out perfectly, and when we remove the form from the table, there are a few rough spots where the concrete didn't release from the form cleanly. So we coat the rough areas with some polyblend grout to blend in all of the low spots, then we sand it smooth. The post for the table goes in before the bocce ball court is complete, so we're using Quikrete fast setting mix to secure it while the work continues. Next, we attach a 2x4 collar around the post to support the concrete top before we lower it into position. And finally, a solar-powered light caps off the post and the project.